Hi, I am Mainak Chandra. I am a student of MSc Data Science in Christ University, Lavasa. This video is a part of my CI1. So I choose the domain on Zomato Bangalore data analysis, and I'll analyze this data. And for the, I have made a report about this for my CI1, but I'm not gonna read this now. I'll put the link on the description of this PDF, so you can download it, and then if you want you can read it also. So I'm gonna just explain the EDA part. So let me just restart the kernel first. Okay, so I have mentioned some introduction and understanding the problem, and then I have describe all the columns. So these all are mentioned in the PDF. So if you want, you can read those instructions from there. And so importing the libraries, required libraries, import pandas, SPD, import numpy, and import seaborn, matplotlib, etc. And I have downloaded a CSV file from Kaggle in the Zomato Bangalore dataset. So now running this, this will take time, I guess. Okay, now we get it. We have 51,717 rows and 17 columns. So we have the whole data here. Now let's see if we run this df.head. I have named this data df. That's why I'm running df.head. So you'll get first five values, first five rows, you can see. Then if you run this df.column, so you can see all the column names here. So we don't need all the columns. So later on we will delete some columns. So let's see some df.describe. So it describes that minimum, maximum, standard, deviation, and mean count. So we can see that the highest vote count of a restaurant is 16,832, and we have one restaurant with no votes. That can be many restaurants with no votes, but that we'll see later. Then coming to div.info. So here we can see that there is some missing values in rate, phone, location, race type, dish light, and cuisines also. And here all are in the object data type. Only votes are in integer data type. So let's see. Uh, then we have just come to know that this light has the most number of values, most number of missing values. So here, like this light has 28,078 missing values. That is huge. So let's clean the data first. Here, first I am deleting the unnecessary data. Like deleting the unnecessary data, not I'm deleting the unnecessary columns. Okay. So I'm dropping URL, address, phone listed in city. These four columns. So I guess the column dropped. Df.saves. Okay. I have dropped four columns and just raised at 13 columns left. So now we have this is a mistake, guys. This will be 13 columns. Okay. Now it's fine. So I'm removing /5 from rate. Actually, guys, if you can see here, like yeah, in the column rate there is some values 4.1 out of 5, 4.1 out of 5, 3.8 out of 5. So I'm removing that out of 5 number. So I'm applying this code. You see that the rate feature is a string and it contains the character slash that is not required. So I'm removing that. So I'm renaming some columns just for uh, easier access, not a big issue, guys. So come to the visualization part. So my first question is, what is the most popular restaurant chain? Like you can see there are few restaurants like McDonald's, Domino's Pizza, Subway, KFC, Pizza Hut, Baskin Robbins, Just Wake, Cafe Coffee Day. But the most popular restaurant chains in Bangalore is Cafe Coffee Day. So come to the next question. How many restaurants do not accept online orders? So let's see. Uh, yeah, so you can see that more than 30,000 restaurants accept online orders and 21,273 restaurants not accepting the online orders. So majority is accepting the online orders. So the next question is there any difference between votes of restaurants and accepting and not accepting online orders? So here we can see that. Uh, okay, then the restaurants who are accepting the online orders, their votes are more than 16,000. Their votes are more than 16,000. But the restaurants who are not accepting the online orders, their votes are less than, like their votes are only 15,000, around 15,000. Okay, now let's see how many restaurants we can book a table. Okay, uh, okay. So only 6,449 restaurants we can have table booking facility. Else, in the other restaurants we don't have that facility. So let's move on. Uh, which are the most popular restaurant type in Bangalore? So let's see. Okay, quick bites. These are really. Uh, this is the case for all the places. So quick bites are the most popular restaurant type in not only in Bangalore, in every area I guess. But okay, now for this data set, it's in Bangalore. So which are the most popular cuisines of Bangalore? Okay, I guess North India. Yeah, I guess North India. North Indian has near about 3,000, not 3,000, 2,800, I guess. So which are the foodie areas in Bangalore? Let's see. BTM, exactly. BTM layout is the foodie areas of Bangalore. So what is the percentage of restaurants in those foodies areas? Okay, I can see that 22% restaurants are present in that location, BTM. And then after that 10.8% in HSR and 10.7% in Kormangla. Okay, what is the average cost for two people? This is very important, guys. This is very important. Why this is important? I'll tell you. Like, let me check. Okay. See, the majority is in the 300, 400, and 500. 500 comparison to 300 and 400, 500 is less, but mostly in 300 and 400, two people can eat easily. So, what is the average rating per restaurant in Bangalore? Let's see. Okay, four, less than four, up to between 3.5 to 4. What is the ratio between rating and restaurant type in Bangalore? Let's see. Okay, we got this. Like dessert, not cafe, dessert. Cafe, the rating is high, but in the dessert parlor, the rating is very low. So even food court, casual dining, the rating is very low. Again, the very high rating is, you can say, uh, beverage shop, cafes, pub, cafes. Those are very high rating. So I'm not now. I'm not explain the model building part. This is just EDA, guys. So I'm stopping here. Hope you'll like this video. If you will like this video, then do like, subscribe, and just thumbs up. Bye, guys.